Hello everyone, class 10th. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 10th, today we will have to study about the chapter number 3, metals and non-metal, on which formation of a compound. We have to go through how the formation of the compound takes place. So far the first, here we have to discuss about that the formation of a compound. So the number of electrons lost or gained, that can be depended, that is by the atom to form an electrovalent, that is the ionic compound, that is known as its valency. So according to the valency, each and every elements of the compound may be formed. The element, they have the chances to lose or gain the electrons. On that basis, they can be combined to one another. How it can be, let's observe in the given different type of examples like sodium chloride, potassium chloride and magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride and sodium oxide, calcium oxide, potassium oxide, these are the different form in which the chemical combinations takes place or the formation of a compound takes place. Formation of a sodium chloride, how it will take place? जब हम देखेंगे सोडियम क्लोराइड के लिए, तो सोडियम क्लोराइड क्या होता है, कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं, इसके बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम सोडियम और क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी को कंसीडर करेंगे। और वैलेंसी क्या होती है, हमें ये जानना होता है कि उसके पास जो लास्ट ऑर्बिट में नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन जो अनपेयर्ड है, उन्हीं को हम लोग वैलेंसी कहते हैं, या द वैलेंसी इज द कैपेबिलिटी or the combining capacity of an atom of an electron. So here is 11 electron, here is 17. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 to 10, and here is 11. Here is 2, 8, 10, 10 and 7. So that is a 7 electron in its outermost orbit, and here is 1 electron in its outermost orbit. So these 1 and 7 electron are interchanged shares, due to which they can be transfer of electrons. So these transfer of electron can be considered as, it may be considered as, so in that case magnesium chloride, there is a 12 electrons in magnesium, 17 in chlorine, 17 in this chlorine. Why? Because this one form MgCl2. So Cl2 means Cl and Cl, 2 Cl. So 2 Cl are there. So class, in here, in the case of magnesium chloride, MgCl2, what will happen? There is a magnesium having 12 electrons and chlorine having 17. But there is a 2 chlorine. So we have to write Cl17 and Cl17. Now we have to draw about change now we can count the number of electrons in both of them. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. 17 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the case of magnesium, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 and 12. Now what will happen then? These two electrons from the outermost orbit of chlorine as well as from magnesium. So this one electron is transferred to the chlorine from here and the next one is transferred from here. So if these two electrons get transferred from here, so this can have now 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Here is also the 8th electron in its outermost orbit. So that can conclude in the number of electrons 8, and that can possesses 8 electrons into their outer shell, that showing the octet state now. So these three are now in octet state. Why? Because their octet get completed. 8 electron in its outer surface, outermost cell, 8 electron in its outermost cell as well, and 8 electron in this outermost cell. So the Coulson and Lewis that had proposes about that any atom that has to completed their octet stage. Why? Because there is a chemical combination takes place, and due to this chemical combination there is a compound formed MgCl2. This is the compound. So this compound formation will take place like this. Here is a Mg and that one Cl. So this will form MgCl2. Is it okay? Now the next one. Sodium oxide NaO. Sodium oxide, how they can get reacted? Sodium having electron, 8 negative, 8 electron. So for the sodium 2H1 and for the oxygen 2,6. So this will form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here is 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Total 8 electrons, and here is a total 11 electrons. So if it is donated 1 electron to the, it will be Na2O, not O, Na2O. So here in this case, 1 electron from there and second one is from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 electrons are get completed. So 1 electron from here, from the sodium 1, and this is sodium 2. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here is only the 6 electron remain. So what happened to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these 2 electrons, which has to be come from the next one, that is 1 electron from this sodium and the second electron from this sodium, will have to attain. And now the sodium has, by donated 1 electron, it has 8 electron in its outer cell. Here is 8 electron in its outer cell. And here is in the case of oxygen, 6 electron in its outermost orbit. So these 2 electrons will have to complete it from sodium, these 2. Now it will be also make 8 electron. So by attending that one, the electron got 8 electron in all 3 cases, and that would consider to be as sodium oxide. Sodium having 1 valency, oxygen having 2, so they can be multiplied and will form Na2O. How this compound, the sodium oxide, may form? This is how the sodium oxides get formed. Now in the other cases like कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, अगर हम कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड को देखते हैं तो इसको लिखते हैं CaO. CaO means calcium having 20 electrons, oxygen having 8 electrons. So how they can be established to form a compound? Calcium showing 2, 8, 8 and 2 electrons. 2, 8, 2. And in this case, in case of oxygen, 2 and 6. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And this one having 2 electrons in there. So if this electron transferred to the oxygen, one from here and the next one from here, so this will form CaO, calcium oxide, and that is the another compound. in the form of calcium oxide. Now in the other cases in which like magnesium chloride, in case of magnesium chloride, so that one will be formed on the basis of MgCl2, and this MgCl2 formed by the number of electrons chlorine 17 and chlorine. So in that case, magnesium chloride, there is a 12 electrons in magnesium, 17 in chlorine, 17 in this chlorine. Why? Because this one form MgCl2. So Cl2 means Cl and Cl, 2 Cl. So 2 Cl are there. Now we have to complete the electronic configuration of magnesium. 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 8, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. And here is a chlorine, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 7. So, the number of electrons we have to fill up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 electrons are there. Now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, in this case, there is a you can say 1 electron transfer to this, 1 electron transfer to this. Now it will form the octet. 1 electron from this magnesium to the chlorine, 1 electron from the magnesium to the chlorine. And now this one is completed in octet. It is also completed in octet, and in the last orbit of the magnesium there is a number of electron 8. So it will also considerable or complete their octet state. And now this is how the magnesium chloride compound get formed. That's all. We'll meet to the next day.